After analyzing the results of its activities over the past year, the management of our company decided to conduct an advertising campaign. As part of our marketing strategy, we plan to start producing a new product, instant tea in a metal canister of 1 liter. We have been manufacturing tea for 20 years, all the time mastering new products. Our enterprise is part of a large production association in Kaliningrad. To launch a new product, it was necessary to get hygienic certificates for the products, and send several samples of tea powder for quality analysis. It was necessary to buy a powder filling machine for pilot batches. Powder filling is the process of batching pharmaceutical products in powder form into individual packages. Plastic and aluminum containers are used, as well as glass and plastic containers and other storage packaging. As the lead pre-production technologist, I was tasked with finding equipment to pack the powder into metal canisters. As a technologist, I understand that at all stages of production, it is important to comply with the requirements for food products. Moisture level, which must not exceed 75%. The temperature in the room should be from 0 to plus 20 degrees Celsius. In pharmaceutical production, it is necessary to carry out analytical quality control of raw materials, finished products. We must use quality equipment to meet the requirements of hygienic services. Therefore, I approached the choice of automatic equipment for tea packaging in powder with all seriousness. I started the solution of the difficult problem with the most popular way, the search on the internet. On the recommendation of colleagues, the first thing I did was to contact European manufacturers. By myself, I chose 2 companies, one in Italy and one in Slovenia. After sending a request to their email address, after 3 days I received a reply from the Italian company, which said that they could not supply equipment due to the suspension of its production. The company from Slovenia said in an email that they did not work with CIS countries. The first step did not turn out to be a good one for me. I understood that there are no hopeless situations, so I continued to look for a solution to the problem. I found similar equipment for packaging powders and pellets into canisters at a Chinese company. I contacted them by phone. The manager started talking to me in Chinese, and I finished the conversation. At the end, I came to the conclusion that I cannot choose the equipment for tea packaging by myself, and decided to turn to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment with our powder, tell me about the terms of delivery. It was decided from the very beginning not to look at Chinese intermediaries, since Chinese manufacturers often have their own direct representatives. I didn't want to go through this stage all over again, so I decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of equipment supplies, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, convenient conditions for the delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I have chosen 4 companies. Having sent all requests by email, I have not received a reply from 2 companies. One company from Khabarovsk warned me that they don't have their own delivery service. I was not satisfied with this option. Only one manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me competent and constructive answers to my questions. I also liked the business-like approach of this specialist. The manager of this company was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the required capacity of the equipment. What material will we choose for packaging? The desired size of the canister for packaging the powder. After preliminary consultations over the phone, the specialist suggested a machine for packing food powder in metal canisters. I coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we signed a contract for the delivery of the selected machine. Powder is loaded into a funnel-shaped hopper, equipped with an agitator for uniform dosing. The equipment is controlled by an LCD screen system. The metal lid is rolled tightly to the edge of the canister. The machine is equipped with a powerful electric motor. The working area of the machine is covered by transparent plastic shields. The machine was made of quality stainless steel. I was satisfied with the result of the work done. We have launched a trial batch of tea in a blue metal canister, and it turned out to be very popular with customers. Perhaps I wouldn't have got such an excellent result in such a short time if I had chosen the equipment myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek professional help in choosing automatic equipment for packing tea in metal canisters was the right one.